Break ID number 4953. 2018 Bowman's Best Baseball 1-box break. Go. That's awesome, Sam. Thanks. Will do. Derek M.A. and Chris G.A. with free spots. Still 4 left in Chronicles Baseball. Gleyber Torres, rookie insert, atomic refractor. Sean B.R. Royce Lewis, number 1 prospect, refractor. Miguel Andujar, rookie insert. Devers, rookie refractor. Is that red? Oh my. That is red. I'm pretty sure it's auto. That means it's to 5 or 10. Yikes. It's to 10. Riley Adams. Red refractor auto. Six of 10 to Toronto. Bruce MI, super short print. Gorgeous card. Yikes. Andujar, rookie refractor. Juan Soto, rookie insert. Madrigal, 4th overall pick. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Mike Trout insert. Jonathan India, number 5 pick. Jordan Adams, 17th overall pick. Angels, Jeff, B.A. Bowman's Best is on fire. Has been for about a week. Next one of these is up there. Acuna rookie. And orange. Jeez. First a Hoskins rookie insert, but an orange refractor to 25. Corey Kluber. Man, short print everything. Cleveland. Chris G.A. Tatis. Jordan Adams. Kevin Kramer. Refractor auto. Pittsburgh. Bruce, M.I. Soto, rookie refractor. Torres, rookie. Hoskins, rookie refractor. Last pack. Alec Bohm, number 3 overall pick. Ryan Weathers, number 7 overall pick. Ramos auto. To the Giants, Chris, GA. Grayson Rodriguez, refractor, 11th overall pick. All right, stuff is on fire. Next one is up there.